The prosecution is done. Now it's the defense's turn in the Ross Harris murder trial.
Now, Harris's lawyers want to convince jurors that his son's death in the back of his SUV was all an accident. Well, the prosecution claims that Harris intentionally left 22-month-old Cooper inside that vehicle. Fox 5's Angelique Proctor has been in the courtroom all day long. She joins us now live. And prosecutors left jurors with another look inside of the car where Cooper died today. Angelique.
That's right. It was a 3D animation that attempted to show jurors just how close Ross Harris would have been to little Cooper. But as you can imagine, the defense shot it down.
At this time, Your Honor, the state rests.
After 50 witnesses and 16 trial days, the state of Georgia rested its murder case against Ross Harris. Prosecutors ended with a technology and software expert who created a 3D animation of Harris's SUV and how close Cooper would have been to his driver's seat. Defense attorneys said the panoramic scans could not recreate what Harris saw that day.
Humans cannot see 360 degrees. And in your field of study and in your work, you can't offer an opinion as to what is in someone's peripheral vision or what is in a human being's peripheral vision.
His credit score was superior.
The defense began its case with realtor Roger Webb, who met with Ross and his then wife Leanna about buying a house in Cobb County with little Cooper in mind.
We were primarily focusing on the Cobb County School District, a certain pocket of the East Cobb School District, and but the school systems were the main focus point.
The state raised the suspicions of the double life again that they believe Ross Harris lived in the months that led up to little Cooper's hot car death.
As Mr. Rodriguez said, he didn't say anything about extramarital affairs or prostitutes or underage girls or anything like that at the time, right?
No, sir.
That would have been kind of crazy if he'd have said that to you.
Yes,
right?
sir.
So if he had this other side of his personality, he obviously kept that hidden from you, correct?
Sure, he seemed very normal and very typical of any buyer that would come in the office.
So the defense presented 2 witnesses today. They say they need 6 to 10 trial days to present their side of this story. Reporting live in Brunswick, Angelique Proctor, Fox 5 News.
Wow. All right, Angelique, thanks.